So about a year ago, I modified my stock belt cover. I cut out the center section, drilled these holes, which you can't actually space out properly because of these little reinforced parts here don't allow you to do proper spacing. And since I'm finishing up on my custom fender delete plate and the light bracket, I'm going to pop over here while I'm playing with aluminum and design a new belt cover. For this one, I've got aluminum tubing to space it out. Then I'm going to design a new belt cover here and see what I come up with that matches the back a little bit better than the rest of the bike. So let me go ahead and pull this cover off and trace it out to get the holes and the pattern basically and start designing. I had the stock belt cover sitting on the aluminum plate. I traced the outside. I punched markings for where the bolts go. And I've already drilled this. So I've already test fitted all 4 bolts. I only had the 2 here. Just laying it on the plate to make sure it will line up correctly. And if I pull the plate off, you can see here all 4 holes and an outline trace to start designing a new design. Alright, I've got the piece of plate marked up. Put lines down here and here to give me thickness here. So I got room to put holes along here. I'll put holes here, here, cut along here to this hole, come back out to point, back to this hole, and back out. And I have a point here and a point there, and a dog who lost her ball. And the points at the ends are to mimic my handlebars. So I have the new belt cover rough cut. It was really fun drilling those 5 big holes in it. It took a while. So I have it up there to see what it looked like. And then now, as you can see, I don't have spacers. And I'm going to take this aluminum tubing to make spacers so it does not hit the belt at all. So I'll go ahead and measure those and cut the spacers and then do another test fit. Now I have the spacers put in and test fitted. You can see here, I've got just about maybe 1/8 of an inch clearance down there at the pulley, which should be fine. This spacer is slightly shorter. Otherwise, it was coming out this way too far, so I shortened it and custom fit it. Now I'll mark it to make sure I know which one's the shorter one. Now it's just time to clean it up.